Actually, I love it. I'm gonna eat one again. Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing Gifflar. Where did I buy it? It's a new place called IKEA. I believe you've heard of it. Cinnamon mini rolls. 12 pieces. Nutrition facts and ingredients. Contains wheat, almonds, milk, and milk, barley, and eggs. Label. Wait. That's better. Let's get one and I'll split it in half so my father and I can both eat it. It smells cinnamony. That's not even a word. It's a roll, so obviously it's gonna unravel. Well, I'll cut it right there. That's mine. You eat the most. Delicious. A good on-the-go snack for little kids like myself, although I'm not really little, except in height. These guys can eat it. Gals, if you call it as well. Actually, I love it. I'm gonna eat one again. Technically, I'm gonna be splitting this in half because this is my mother's snack. Let's see if I can split it without making it unravel. Obviously, that's not possible. Barely, that's not even half. I'll give my mother the big half and I'll eat the small one. Let's give it to her. My mother didn't obviously think it was that good. She thought it was a bit dry than she thought it would be. Well then, good news. It's all mine. It's tomorrow's breakfast for me. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button. And me, Megan, and it's Brown Tail. I'll see you guys again in other videos. Bye!